Are you curious whether your Tesla has HW3 or HW4 for its autopilot system? Knowing your hardware version is crucial for understanding your car's self-driving capabilities. This video will guide you through quick and easy ways to identify your Tesla's autopilot hardware, whether it's the older HW3 or the more advanced HW4. As of December 5th, 2025, HW4 is standard on most newer models, but many Teslas on the road still use HW3. Let's find out which one you have. The most direct way to check your Tesla's autopilot hardware is through the vehicle's touchscreen interface. Start by navigating to Controls on the main menu. Then select Software from the options. Finally, choose Additional Vehicle Information to access detailed specs. Look for Autopilot Computer in this menu. It will clearly display either H3 or HW4. This method requires no external tools and provides an immediate answer right from your car's display. Method 2 involves decoding your Tesla's Vehicle Identification Number, or VIN. This 17-character code contains encoded information about your vehicle's hardware. To access this information, use Tesla's official VIN decoder on their website, or try third-party tools like Tesla VIN Decoder or tesladata.com. These tools will parse the VIN and reveal details about your car's build. As a quick reference, Tesla Model 3 vehicles with VINs starting with 5YJ and manufactured after 2021 typically feature HW4 hardware. This pattern helps identify newer models with advanced autopilot capabilities. Beyond hardware version, the VIN provides insights into the manufacturing date and specific components installed, helping you understand your vehicle's capabilities and history. Another way to identify your Tesla's hardware version is through full self-driving eligibility. Use the Tesla app or your car's built-in browser to check for available FSD updates. HW3 generally supports FSD up to version 11, while HW4 unlocks version 12 and beyond. If your car struggles with FSD updates or frequently requires driver interventions, it might have HW3. HW3 uses an NVIDIA Xavier SoC with 30 TOPS of computing power. HW4 boasts a custom AMD NA2-based GPU with 144 TOPS. This significant increase in processing power allows HW4 to handle more advanced AI models, higher camera frame rates, and improved thermal management, leading to smoother and safer FSD performance. HW4 can process 8x more data points per second than HW3. Understanding your Tesla's autopilot hardware helps you manage your expectations for self-driving capabilities. HW3 vehicles may require more driver intervention in complex scenarios, as highlighted by the 2024 NHTSA recall affecting 1.6 million vehicles. HW4 offers better handling of dynamic environments and smoother FSD operation. Fleet data shows H4 vehicles achieve 90% fewer disengagements than HB3 in FSD mode. Looking ahead to future trends, Tesla is rapidly integrating HW5 into all new vehicle models, with ambitious plans to make it the standard hardware across their entire lineup by 2026. This advanced hardware features AI chips from NVIDIA and Samsung, offering significantly improved processing power for autonomous driving capabilities. While there are currently no retrofit options available to upgrade existing HW3 or HW4 vehicles to HW5, Tesla continues to enhance software updates for all hardware platforms, ensuring that even older models benefit from ongoing improvements. As the market recognizes the superior performance of HW4 and HW5 systems, resale values for these newer hardware versions are steadily increasing by 15 to 20%, making it increasingly important for Tesla owners to know their vehicle's hardware version when considering buying or selling. You now have several ways to check if your Tesla has HW3 or HW4, via the vehicle interface, VIN decoding, and software version checks. While HW4 offers enhanced capabilities, H3 remains functional with some limitations. Stay updated with Tesla's evolving software and hardware landscape for the best driving experience. Thanks for watching.